Wow, man, it's 9 o'clock downpour, man. It's been raining all day, but this is the hardest. Wow. Look at that, man. Oh, I love it. I love the rain. People here probably don't like it, but I love it. Ah, look at that. But then I feel sorry for those vendors. Like the one over there. The one there, they're selling something. So it's raining, they can't sell. All right, today it's raining, sprinkling right now. It rained the whole morning, but right now it's sprinkling. We're gonna make another round of Bánh Khọt behind me. Okay. Another round of Bánh Khọt. Okay, so on a rainy day, I'm gonna show you what's going on behind me. Hang on, I'm gonna flip this phone. I'm gonna flip the phone and show you. All right. Wow. Let me go inside and eat because my wife's inside. So. Ok, ngồi đâu? Để đất rồi. Cái lấy đất. Bánh gì vậy? Khọt. Ở đây có giao hàng cưới hỏi cúng gì không? Như là ôn rồi kêu một mâm luôn.
Đám hỏi đám cưới.
Ra đám hỏi đám cưới được tiệc tùng.
À, đám tiệc đây như tao có đặt đó, đặt bánh vậy nè.
Dạ, một dĩ luôn.
Dạ. Ta đãi khách đó.
Yeah. Alright, close up of Bánh Khọt. Looks like it has a coconut shrimp or prawn or shrimp. And mung bean, some fish sauce, and then veggie. The main ingredient is the coconut milk, so and the sauce. Whoa, look at that.
Để ăn thằng chết ăn mà trộn lên.
Yeah, không có trộn lên. Không ăn hả? Ngon đấy, mọc. Very good. Good. Này ngon. Cái này bên Mỹ này, cái này là cỡ bao nhiêu?
Con ơi bán hả?
Không bán hả?
Bán gì?
Dạ bán cũng không ngon bằng đây. Yeah, you can't find this in the States.
Rồi tao chiên đó, tao chiên bánh khọt nhà ông ăn đó. Mà đâu giống này đâu, bánh xèo đó.
Yeah. You can't find this in the States. You can, but it's hard to find it. Yeah, this particular dish you can't find anywhere except Vietnam. Really good. Vũng Tàu nó có, mà ra Vũng Tàu mới có rồi. Saigon cũng mới có cái này nó.
Bánh căng đó, bỏ mà ăn nó ghê.
Có
bánh căng đó. Nhớ không?
Nó nằm chỗ nào?
Bỏ mà ăn bánh căng đó, bánh xèo đó.
Cái đó ok yeah. Cái đó đâu ngon đâu.
Nó bánh căng bánh khọt mà. Người ta đó cái kia ngon hơn cái này. Vô chấm căng này qua.
No, cái này ngon hơn.
Nó bánh căng kia đó nhớ không?
Bây giờ nó kêu là egg, trứng gà với egg, nhưng mình xem tiền mà nó bỏ egg vô, cái này nó ngon luôn. Đi có dịp quay. It's really good. It's the sauce and then the coconut makes it really good. Combination of bean sauce, the little prawns, and coconut milk. Mấy cái như là bún riêu cái này bình thường, bún bò Quế bình thường, bún Quế đâu cũng có cho không? Phở bình thường, cái này mới đặc biệt đây nào.
Mấy món
đặc biệt nè.
Mấy món bà nhà bán mà ở đâu
không có bán, dạ. Đây cái này đặc biệt rồi chứ. This is a specialty food. You can't find this anywhere. Only a few can do it. Only a few sell. So most places have noodle. This, this one is special. Not everybody know how to make this or can make this or sell this. That's why it tastes so good. I mean, noodle is common. You can get that anywhere. Rice, noodle, you can get that pretty much anywhere. This you can't find. Chủ cả quá. Cái này nhiêu đây? Nhiêu bên này? Bấm năm nào. I forgot how much this cost, but for sure it's cheaper than in Saigon. Alright, done. Finished. Mission complete. Mission complete. Yeah, 52,000 for the 2 orders. Like 26,000 each one. It's like $1, $1, $1. That's cheap, man, compared to Saigon. It's so cheap. Saigon, that's what it costs. Double. It would be like 100,000 at least for two orders. So it's really cheap here in Bạc Liêu. I would give this 10 points, you know, with 10 is the maximum. I'd give this 10 points because of the price and the cost. I mean, the taste of it. So it's one of my favorite places to go. They close like 4 o'clock, 4 or 5. That particular dish, they only have it between 2 and 4. So once they sell off everything, the whole platter, then that's it. And so you gotta come here when it's between 2 and 4. Okay. Before it's gone. There's a typical Vietnamese convenience store. They sell pretty much everything. It's storefront, open front, and they usually sell downstairs from the house. They would live upstairs. They would live upstairs, and then downstairs they would be selling pretty much everything, really. Household items. Anything you need to come here, they have them. You don't need to go to a bigger box store, to buy them. They're all right here. And I like to support these. We like to support these mom and pop businesses. You know, instead of the box store. Instead of going to a box store and buying from a box store, we like to come here and buy them here. And they actually have more items than at the box stores. They carry more items than at the box store. So my wife is inside. She's looking for a yogurt container. One of those small yogurt size container for yogurt. Like the one we have at home. One of those glass jars. That's what she's getting, is the glass jar, the mini glass jar. And then, okay, let's see what we find.